Well, today is Sunday, and that's when I do our Sunday dinner with my parents. We do a Zoom or usually a FaceTime or a Zoom. So I saw this guy on the internet, and he took this Butcherbox ground beef that I always have, and he made these smash burgers. And for some reason, it just really appealed to me. I'm going to leave the link to his original video down in the description, but we're going to give this a shot today. I'm also trying out my new camera, so let's see how this goes. Now what he did was he quartered these things, so he had a quarter pound each on his hamburgers. So I'm going to do my best to guesstimate about a quarter pound. Pretty close. Alrighty. Now he took each one of those, rolled it up into a ball. Then it was time to get out the saran wrap, so let's see how this goes. Sure did look good when he did it. Now that should do it. Now what this guy did was he put his ball of ground beef down, and he put him another piece of saran wrap on top of it, like so. And we know the ripping thing on saran wrap never works, so best to get you a pair of scissors. Alright, then he took his cast iron skillet and he smashed it out. Let's see how it's going to do. There you go. A thin hamburger. I think that'll work out really good. Well, I like them smash burgers so much, but I wanted to put them on the grill. I know that other fellow did them in a frying pan, and I tried that, and it was delicious. But I thought, if you throw them on the grill, they'll probably fall apart. So I froze them in the freezer, and let's see how those things work on the grill. Got me some pepper jack cheese to go on top too. So we're going to try this out. I'll let you guys know here shortly how it works. Let's throw these boys on here. It's hot. Throw some cheese on there. What you say? I say a couple more minutes and we'll be done.
Oh yeah. Those babies look good. What y'all think? Yeah. Time to hook them up. What do you think the odds are? Slim to zero. Slim to zero. What do you think though? Doesn't that look good? Smash burgers. I'm not even gonna put any mayo on these guys. See how it tastes. Oh yeah. Got that charcoal grill taste. Done to perfection. Look at that. Well, one more way to cook a hamburger. Pepper jack cheese is fabulous. Well, I'm gonna eat my supper. If you like this video, push the like button. And subscribe and comment. Let me know what you want to try out. I'm going to put the link down there to the guy I got this from, because I'm not one of those kind of people that would cheat. So, anyway, subscribe to my channel. Push that like button. If you like this meal, you like this video, push the like button. You didn't like this meal, you didn't like the video, push the like button anyway. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to go finish off these hamburgers. Y'all have a good day, and until the next time and the next recipe, this is Dr. Jake signing off.